What if Earth's core was a giant crystal? Deep beneath our feet lies one of Earth's greatest mysteries. But what if, instead of molten iron, the core was a single massive crystal? In this video, we explore how a crystalline core could reshape everything, from the strength of Earth's magnetic field to bizarre tectonic behavior, and even glittering crystal structures breaking through the crust. Could this dazzling vision also spell disaster? Druidi Samu. 1. Earth's hidden heart. Beneath our feet lies one of the most mysterious and least accessible parts of our planet, the core. Over 6,000 kilometers below the surface, the core is thought to be composed primarily of iron and nickel. The outer core remains in a molten state, swirling and churning, generating Earth's protective magnetic field. The inner core, meanwhile, is believed to be solid, though recent studies suggest it might contain complex structures or even partially melted regions. But what if this conventional picture was entirely wrong? What if, instead of a swirling sea of molten metal, Earth's core was a single planet-sized crystal, an immense, faceted structure forged under extreme pressure and heat? In this scenario, everything we know about our planet's inner workings changes dramatically. 2. The crystal's influence. Earth's magnetic field is a shield, a vital force that protects us from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. It arises from the motion of molten iron in the outer core, a process known as the geodynamo. But with a solid crystal replacing this fluid metal, that motion stops. Without the dynamo, the magnetic field would weaken or vanish entirely. Satellites could malfunction. Global navigation systems would become unreliable. Radiation from space would bombard the surface more intensely, potentially disrupting technology and affecting biological life over time. Seismic activity would also be altered. Seismic waves travel differently through crystalline material, potentially speeding up or splitting in strange directions. Earthquakes might become harder to predict and possibly more destructive. And then there's the magma. If molten rock rises from a crystalline base, it may carry different elements or crystal particles. The result? Volcanic eruptions that are less frequent but far more intense, painting the sky with shimmering mineral ash and producing stunning, glass-like lava flows. Surface transformations. Over millennia, Earth's crust is shaped by forces from deep below. In a crystal core Earth, those forces might push crystalline structures upward, towering mineral formations breaking through the surface like alien monuments. Imagine landscapes carved not from sediment or lava, but from glinting spires of translucent crystal. These structures could reach mountains in size, creating new ecosystems and reshaping global geography. The redistribution of minerals could change everything. Rare elements like lithium, gold, or even unknown compounds might become common at the surface. This would spark a revolution in materials science, energy storage, and even medicine. And there's a more speculative idea: crystal energy. Could a structure this massive store or transmit energy in ways we don't understand? Could it vibrate or resonate, creating powerful energy fields or dangerous ones? We might discover untapped potential or awaken a planet-sized hazard. Focus: life in a crystal world. Life on Earth is endlessly adaptable. From bacteria that survive in boiling acid pools to deep-sea creatures thriving in utter darkness, nature finds a way. In a crystal-influenced world, new pressures would lead to new forms of life. Creatures might evolve to sense subtle vibrations through solid ground. Plants could grow crystalline structures to store energy or reflect harsh radiation. For humans, it would be a new era of challenge and opportunity. We would need to engineer buildings that can withstand unpredictable seismic activity, tap into crystal-based resources, and rethink agriculture, energy, and infrastructure from the ground up, literally. But this transformation would also shift how we see ourselves. If the heart of our planet is a massive, ancient crystal, what does that mean about Earth's formation, its purpose, or its future? Could we still see the planet as just rock and metal, or something more mysterious? 5. A hypothetical journey. We may never see Earth's core with our own eyes, but imagination lets us go where science cannot yet reach. Through digital simulations and artistic renderings, we can visualize this vast crystal hidden beneath our world, a shining, structured heart humming with energy. These what-if scenarios aren't just entertaining, they're important. They stretch the boundaries of scientific thought, they inspire curiosity, they remind us that the world we know is only a fraction of what's possible. While the idea of a crystalline core may be fiction, the mysteries of Earth are very real, and with every question we ask, every model we build, and every drill we lower into the crust, we take one more step toward discovering the truth. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the center of a very different Earth. While the idea of a crystalline core is just a what-if, it reminds us how much we still have to discover beneath our feet. If you enjoyed exploring this strange possibility, give the video a like, subscribe for more curious questions, and share your own what-if ideas in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.